Hello guys, my name is Nijo, and this YouTube channel will be all about YouTube news and drama. I hope you all enjoy the video. There is plenty of news to talk about today. First on the news today is RiceGum. RiceGum is a YouTuber with 3.7 million subscribers and is famous for his diss tracks he makes about other YouTubers or other people. He has gained about 3 million subscribers in less than 5 months. Recently on Twitter he had tweeted 2 tweets. His first tweet said, "Can I park in the handicapped section because my heart is broken?" But that's not all, he also went on to tweet saying, "My Wi-Fi is too strong for you to be ignoring my texts." We see that RiceGum probably has some problems with his girlfriend and she's ignoring him. It could also be that he fell in love with a girl but she won't reply to him and is ignoring him. We see from RiceGum's tweets that he is heartbroken. Next on the news is the clown Colossal is Crazy. This YouTuber was mistaken dead as he was not active on Twitter and didn't upload any video on YouTube. Many people were concerned and even famous YouTubers thought he was dead. Here is a tweet from Keemstar saying, "I know you're in heaven," smiling down, and then he says, #RipClown. Many of his fans were really worried as Colossal is often active and wasn't seen online for 2 days. This got everyone worried. Colossal then tweets saying 2 fucking days away from the internet with the flu and people think I'm dead. He then says that the video will be released tomorrow and that he spent over 120 hours on it. This could be a reason why he was inactive as he was working on a huge video. He also goes on to tweet seriously, though for anyone who was genuinely worried, for me, I'm fucking grateful for that. But yeah, don't worry, I'm not dead. That's what he tweeted. Colossal really loves his fans and appreciates how they care for him a lot and how they're worried for him. He tells them he's okay and not to worry because everything is fine. He currently has 160,000 subscribers. This next story is quite short and not a lot in it. YouTuber TamarTN tweets, "I really love watching Olympic volleyball," and sends a butt emoji. He just admitted to staring at ladies' butts during the Olympic volleyball games. I know this is just a joke, but lots of his fans found this inappropriate and offended them. He might think twice next time he tweets something like this. Also on the news today, Jacksepticeye gets a new tattoo. He tweets saying tattoo complete and sends 2 pictures of his tattoo. His fans are really shocked as this is Jack's first tattoo ever and it does look quite weird, I must say. But hey, that's my opinion, what do I know? Jacksepticeye is currently at 11.8 million subs. His fans have to accept his new tattoo now. I admit, it will be weird seeing him with a new tattoo across his arm, but the fans just got to accept what has happened. And yeah guys, that's all of the news for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're new here or not subbed, as I'm just starting to make the YouTube news and drama channel, and I'll be making more of these types of videos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and peace.